Well, happy new year. Hope you had a great time with your loved ones in Christmas and New Year. Um, Personally, we had a great time with the family and friends, and now we are back to our routine. Like we all do, on the New Year resolutions, we New Year Eve or New Year, we take lots of resolutions, and this year, our personal focus is gonna be on health and weight loss. And if you are one of us, who are gonna focus mainly on yourself, it can be related to your skin, it can be related to your health, weight loss, focusing more on the skin part or health part, then definitely, I'm gonna talk to you guys, right? So like I always say, when it comes to the skin, before we talk about the external, appearance, let's talk about the internal first. What we are putting inside is what is gonna reflect on the skin. Yes, I'm talking about the supplements, great diet, having a healthy food, right? So all these factors definitely add lots of value when it comes to the appearance on the skin. So if we are looking for a healthy face, if you are looking for the healthy skin, a great appearance, so we have to focus in first on how much oil are we eating, how much water are we drinking, whether whatever we are eating is healthy or not, intake of fruit, salad, and all these things definitely adds up. And you know what, guys? Even if you are having, the intake of fruits and veggies, let's say every day, as per the in balanced diet, as per the healthy diet, we are supposed to eat 5 to 6 portions of fruits and salads. And when I say portions, it means that one portion is supposed to be this much ball, right? I don't know about you guys, but when it comes to my lifestyle, there is no way that I can eat it. I need definitely, what my body needs and what I'm eating, there is a huge gap in between. So even if I'm eating one or two portions, but it is not a portion of the fruits or salads, the maximum I can eat is like maybe a banana, maybe an apple, maybe one mango, but there is no way that I'm eating even one complete portion, like a big ball of the fruits and veggies, and forget about having 5 to 6 balls for the healthy and balanced diet, right? And that's where the gap starts arising. What our body needs and what we are eating, right? There is a huge gap, and to fill that gap, that's where we need the supplements. Supplements do nothing, it's not a miracle. For example, if you're low in iron, it's not gonna give you the iron completely, like it's not gonna shoot like a medicine or a iron shot would do. But definitely supplements is something which we call it like that precaution is always better than cure, right? So that's where if we are taking supplements on day to day basis, then there is a possibility that we will not have the we will not have that condition where we will have to take all these medicines. So if we are taking care of our day to day body needs, then the chances are very high that we will not need all those the treatments later, right? So we sometimes think a lot that I don't need these tablets, why should I eat these tablets on day to day basis? That's where I just wanted to, because what we see is what we believe more than anything. So that's where I wanted to show you a little quick video about how supplements work, and then I'm gonna go back and talk about more on the supplements. Yeah, so let's so, a major part of our body is made of water. Then I'm gonna put some rice in there. The rice, why we put rice? Because rice is, the structure of rice is very equivalent to the structure of our body cells. So it will reflect our internal body, that what's happening here. Then I'm gonna put some betadine in there. Why betadine? Because betadine is gonna act in this experiment, like when we go out, the pollution, and the impurities and the pesticides we come across when we eat the food. That's what betadine is gonna represent. So let's put. Okay. So let's see what happens when we mix it. some focus here on the glass so all of you can see. Do you see the color of the rice? That's what happens because of these all impurities which go in the body in terms of our breath, in terms of the food we eat, with the impurities, pesticides, you know. So this is what happens to our body. Now let's have a quick look how these supplements work. So these are the supplements we use. This is NutriWay by Amway, like the artistry products we use. And this is the daily tablet. Just to show it to you how it works faster, what I'm gonna do, I'll just crush this tablet a little bit and then it's gonna act here quicker, yeah? Okay guys, so this is what happens. The tablet is slowly it's dissolving in the body. If you can see, the water is getting lighter now as compared to it was before. It starts working more. The rice are also turning to white now. Not similar, but very much near to how we put them in the white in color. See? That's what happens, right? And now, another reality check. So our body is immune now. Even if I'm putting, let's say, more drops of betadine here, let's see what happens. See? It's not harming our body anymore, right? It's a eye-opener for us that, we definitely need supplements. All white now, very much similar to how our body was before the experiment, before getting all the impurities in the body. Now you all have seen that we need supplements, why we need supplements, right? Now the next question comes is like, what kind of supplements we are talking about? See, I don't know about you, but I know very well that it's very clear, very evident for me that when we are talking about supplements, if I have to put something in my body, it has to be the best, right? So why should I compromise with some products which I don't know? Because at least I know you can definitely do this experiment because these ingredients are easily available in our home. You can do that. If you're using any X brand, you can do this experiment with your brand and see if that works, right? But if it works, well and good, you're using the right products. But if it doesn't, then why don't you think about switching it to NutriWay? Because I don't know about you, but I want to go with the best. I want to go with the number one company. I want to go with the organic company. I know that in each and every ingredient they are putting in there, it is pollution free. It is it is organic. Every ingredient is organic. They haven't put any chemicals in there. So that's where, and NutriWay is definitely more than 80 years old company, and they are still producing the best and the best supplements for us. Daily is one of the supplements which you can use, but definitely the best way to go about supplements with NutriWay is that to get your skin health analysis done and find out what are the products which are customized for you, because there are so many supplements available under NutriWay for each and every one of us. So you have to see which one is customized for you, and after the health analysis that can help you to decide yours, right? And let's focus on health this time so that the skin will be complementary. And I wish you all the best, and and happy new year once again. And I wish you all the happiness, and hope this new year brings lots and lots of opportunities for you all. Bye.